So you can see I'm not an S550 Mercedes. I don't ride that smooth. Out here with the YenWhy series, about to go for a run. There's the results. YenWhy still here. Keys are still in there. ID right there. Today makes for a pretty exciting day. I'm out here with the YenWhy series, about to go for a run around the park, showing you on camera for the first time. So as you can see, I've got my key fob stored in here, and I've got my credit card and my ID card stored in this tunnel. Let's take off. So what you see me doing right now is mounting the YenWhy, or mounting my phone in the YenWhy. So bear with me. If you see my fingers going in front of the screen. And we're going to show you what it looks like jogging around the park with the YenWhy from a belly point of view. I'll be on this video with you the whole time, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to start my watch here so you can see that I'm actually going for a run, and I'll show you at the end too. Hope I don't forget. Change the orientation a bit. Aim YenWhy a little further up so you're not looking down as far. There we go. That's probably a better angle for you. Probably should have did that from the beginning. So YenWhy, you can't, or it works for more than just marking or wearing it around your waist. You can also strap it around your chest. Diagonally strap it over one shoulder. And you can record from POV like it's a chest cam. You may have seen that the other day when I put that video on Instagram of the car accident. I had it mounted on my chest. And there's no telling what you could capture when you do it like that. I mean, you got coaches out there that they like to record their athletes while they're coaching them. Give them a bit of on-the-field action. Or give the fans, give the people that aren't at the actual practice, a look at the on-the-field action from the coach's point of view. Me, I was thinking somewhere along the lines of maybe a cornerback coach for football when he's coaching his corners, do their back pedal drills, back pedal and drive, to drive on the interception. And he's got the football in his hands. He being the coach, or she, and he or she's like, go, drive. I also put a few videos up of me with the camera oriented face up, jogging, talking to you, so you can see what it looks like if if you were to talk to somebody on FaceTime, on video chat, Instagram video, Zoom, whatever it might be. You know, everybody these days is interested in having more time. There's a lot of things we would do if we just had more time. You know, some things just have to wait. Unfortunately, you've got to make a choice. You got to pick. But now, with YenWhy, you know, there's some things that you can do while you're working out. Get them done. Save yourself a little bit of time. A little bit of time goes a long way these days. You know, the original motivation for me inventing YenWhy, it was to get people off the couch. Get people off the couch that might otherwise be stuck to their phone. Because people pick up their phones and they're on their phone so much during the day. It's got to cut into your workout time, or at least hold you back in some respect. But you see what I'm doing right now? I'm making a social media post talking to my followers, friends and family, while I'm getting healthier. YenWhy is holding up really nicely. Really pleased with it. Phone hasn't moved at all, except for the blazing speed that I'm carrying it at, of course. See how fast I'm passing people? Like they're standing still, moving so fast. Hey, gotta motivate yourself somehow, you know? They say one lap around here is about 3.5 miles. Let's see what the watch says. Right now, I'm at 1.25 miles. That can't be right. Or maybe I'm just out of shape. The boat club over there. I don't know what's being tested more right now. YenWhy or me. YenWhy hasn't even broken a sweat yet. The YenWhy Series shirt is getting all the sweat it can handle right now. Courtesy of yours truly. Right here. I accidentally pressed stop on my watch. Stopped my running progress. At least the counting of it anyway. So it looks like I'm gonna come up short of 3 miles on my watch. But I'll still show it to you. Motivating to see other people out here getting it with you. Should I pick up the pace now that I'm almost done? All right, here it goes. Can you tell I'm moving faster? I feel like I am. Whew. There's the parking lot up ahead. From whence I came. Keep going. Keep going. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it down. Pick it up. Put it down. Let's go. Yeah. My car is not too far. It's just over that way. Let's go ahead and ratchet it on down. Let me show you my watch. You can see the workout. Let's see what it says. There's the results. 24 minutes and 50 seconds, 2.5 miles, 367 calories. I don't think that's right because my watch cut off, or I paused it about halfway through and didn't realize it, but be solid. And YenWhy still here. Card still in place. Both of them. ID right there.